off, we got an award here that I didn't even know about till this morning, but I'm pretty proud to hand it out. It's from the Catfishing International University. Having honorably fulfilled the requirements imposed by the authority of this institution, the president and trustees of Catfishing International University, on recommendation of the facility, do therefore here confer degree of masturbating to Dalton Brown. Well, you gotta come get it. Now, build a rod for everybody that wins something. This year, the points was so close for the top two positions for Angler of the Year in the Open Division that I didn't bring rods simply because I didn't know his name. And Brad Pruitt, Donald Moore, and Colin run really close with Doug and Art and Dalton, and made it pretty interesting. And Cindy hasn't figured it up yet, but they're within 1 point overall throughout the year of who won in the Open Division. The ladies division and the youth division was decided before today. And even though I spelled Vicky's name wrong, she gets Lady Angler of the Year. You don't have to.
No.
Paul will get us one.
Got Jason?
Make it a good one.
Thank you.
Step to the side, Lyle.
Is Colin, are you up here?
But not no more.
Hey, Lyle.
Is Colin not? Oh, there he is. And Colin Stark won the youth division, and we had 2 or 3 guys in there.
Colin Stark.
And we're trying to get more kids involved. So any of you guys that's got kids, if we can keep some coming, we're going to keep giving these away. If they don't want the rods, we'll find something else. But he fished with Donald Moore and Brad Pruitt this year, and to win that, he done pretty good. He has pretty good teammates. Congratulations. And whoever wins the other, then I'll get their names on them, and they got to come pick them up so I get the picture. 10th place today with 15.5 pounds is Brad Donnelly Collin. Thank you. Hey, why don't you get a picture of all 3 of you? That'd be nice.
Oh, they was donated by Bottom Water.
Yes, donated by Bottom Water. 9th place with 16.6 pounds, Doug Rice, Dalton Brown, and Art Dawson. That's about as close as you guys can get. Fighting them out. There you go, boys. 8th place, 17.1 pounds, Restafore and Tony Hunt. Oh, no, you never. Not this time. Never. Congratulations. 7th place was 17.5 pounds, Bill and Jim Newingham. What are you doing? Come on over here. You got 6th place, 17.9 pounds, Jason and Vicky Matheny. appreciate it. Fifth place with 24.7 pounds wins $100. Jerry Klein and Joe Lucky. Fourth place with 38 pounds wins $150. Tony Lane and Matt McIntyre. Good job, guys.
Wait. John Jr., John Senior, and Con stuff, right?
Good fish, you guys.
Third. Wait a minute. They all give you.
Thank you, guys.
Here,
Okay. They also got second place big fish.
didn't pay no money.
What was it? Didn't pay any money, but how much
It
was the weight?
was 34.1.
34.1. So now y'all. Thanks, guys.
Okay. Second place. 60.7.
Second place, 60.7 pounds, $450 goes to Chris Morrow and Ding. Which one?
He gets the money.
He gets the money, you get the most?
And wait a minute.
We'll give you up later.
They also get big fish with
And the big fish prize,
37.4 pounds.
37.4 is $170. And for somebody that never catches any big fish, first place, the trophy you wish, Danny Salford, 76.2 pounds, and big fish at 37.
No,
You didn't get big fish?
no. You just give that to Dink and Chris.
Yeah, he gets the big check. Pays $900.
And you get the trophy.
And you get the trophy.
Right here.
I need some new shoes.
Come around here for me.
You gonna drop, huh?
Guys on this boat,
Get ready for your tickets.
on this boat. Oh, I need,
Go ahead.
I'll need your name and address and phone number. I'll call Monday. You're gonna get the certificate vote. And I'll call the offer Monday and know your name and everything. Don't expect to go pick this boat up Monday. So, like I said, they're 3 months behind.
4678072. I drew him the dang cards. He's got to share that with me. I didn't draw the ticket, he did, but I drew him the check for it this morning.
Yeah, you want it back?
Yeah! He's qualified.
Thank you.
God,
Congratulations, Danny.